private placement memorandum. Super, super important for you to look over and understand as a limited partner. Hey everyone, it's Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, we're kayaking in Antarctica. Michael's gonna give you a sweet view. It's beautiful here. And yes, it is snowing. And yes, there is ice all over. By far one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. So today in the Antarctic, I'm gonna talk to you about what a PPM is. You heard me right, a PPM. So a PPM is a private placement memorandum. And it is a very, very long legal document, but it is long because it has all of your rights in there. Majority of the questions that you want answered should be in that document. It'll have things about how the business is structured, what the capital stack is like, who is on the team, there is a lot of information in there and you wanna make sure that you read it thoroughly so that you understand what your rights are for that investment. Other things that could be included are the other LP members that are on the team, the debt that is gonna be involved, everything that is really in that investment summary should also be in that PPM, and that is something you have to sign if you are investing in a 506B offering and a 506C offering. So make sure to read that for both type of investments that you plan on investing in. And again, if you are interested, you can find that video that we have. It's a 506B versus 506C, but it's really that you have that prior existing relationship with the sponsor. So again, PPM, private placement memorandum, super, super important for you to look over and understand as a limited partner. So if you like this video, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you receive our videos and you can see more beautiful Antarctica. Have a great day. Until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!